Shenzhen Starmax Energy Technology Company Limited is a pioneering high-tech enterprise in the new energy sector, dedicated to delivering innovative solutions for NMC batteries, automotive battery modules, life-before energy storage systems, and solar integrations. The company headquarters is located in Shenzhen and cooperates with an advanced R&D and manufacturing base in Huizhou. This 7,000 square meters automated facility is equipped with 2 fully automated production lines and 4 semi-automated lines, achieving an annual production capacity of 2 BU. With 7 years of technological expertise, Starmax Energy has established partnerships with over 500 enterprises across 136 countries and regions, including the United States, Germany, Australia, and Thailand. The company's commitment to excellence is validated by international certifications ULC, BCE, IEC, ISO 9001, RoHS, CEC, UN 38.3, and MSDS, ensuring compliance with global safety and environmental standards. Leveraging cutting-edge R&D capabilities in lithium technology, Starmax Energy excels in cost-efficient manufacturing and precise market positioning. Its custom battery solutions cater to diverse industrial demands from home energy storage to electric vehicle power systems. The engineering team employs a scientific management system, integrating real-time monitoring and HITHIUM optimization to enhance product stability and reliability. Driven by the vision Global Energy Tailored, co-creating a green future, Starmax Energy is expanding into solid-state batteries and smart grid integration technologies. Through sustainable innovation, the company aims to reduce global carbon footprints while empowering communities with accessible clean energy solutions.